Yeah, y'all, I'm back with some more Rick Drip, man. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I can't fuck with no more galleries till further notice. I'm not fucking with no Marys. This clip, man. Uh, I don't really know what else I was wearing before that. You feel me? Probably some Balmains or some shit. I'll fuck around and hop at some Balmains before I hop at some of Marys right now. But yeah, I bring my old Balmains out before that. Oh yeah, some Saint Laurents. I still fuck with my Saint Laurents heavy, like. So when I ain't in none of this new shit, this weird shit that everybody wearing, I go back to my Saint Laurent jeans, man. I got probably, matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do for y'all. I'm gonna bring my Saint Laurents to the channel too, man. Because if you really live in this shit, you know it's Saint Laurent's I'm gonna bring to the channel. But that's neither here nor there. Y'all showed up for this shit, so let's get to it, man. I be fucking up, bro. I be talking about everything but the shit I came here to show y'all, man. But we got some Rick Drip here, man. Like, yeah, I know y'all like, damn, Hefe, when you gonna lighten up? It's not, bro. I'm in my black mamba bag. I've been in it before this shit. I'm just way deeper, man. I'm getting back into it. Like, I ain't liking nothing but some black shit right now. Like, so yeah, this part of the Dark Knight series, Black Mamba vibes, whatever other black superhero shit. You feel me? Like, I don't know how you describe this shit, gang. This shit was fire. This fit I had put together, man, I wish I was there, man. For real. But that's neither here nor there. Let me get to this shit though, man. They got two different type of rigs, two leather joints. They got the little nigga shits, the little pup joints, and they got the big dog shits. Guess which ones we got? You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, nigga, you play small, you stay small. So I had to go get the big dog shits. And how you know the difference between the little pup shits and the big dog shits? The big dog shits, they got a line through the middle. Like, that's real. When you get any real good leather jeans, 9 out of 10 times, they gonna have this line right here through it separating the material. You feel what I'm saying? If your shits don't got that, you got some bullshit ass leather jeans, champ. I ain't even gonna hold you. But we ain't here to talk about that. Let's get into some motherfucking details, man. Let me open this shit up. Like I said, I wore these joints, man. I wore them with the motherfucking, with the LV skater joints I debuted on the channel probably like a month or two ago. And yeah, I finally wore them bitches. And I wore them with these. Oh my God, bro. I was seeing the panties getting wet. Like, I was literally seeing the shit, bro. Like, I was hearing it, everything. Like, fit was crazy, bro. Like, shit was crazy, nigga. Ain't no other way to describe this shit, man. Where shoulda had this shit, shoulda came with like some motherfucking towels or some shit I could just toss around at the hoes. Bitches was wet, like, I know they was, bro. With the LVs, and I did it with this little motherfucking suede PAYCATION shirt. Y'all gotta see that shit, bro. The leather with the suede. Who does that, bro? Like, who does that? You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, I could have did all leather, like a motherfucking superhero, like I had on a fucking superhero outfit. You know what I'm saying? I could have did it like that, but nah, let me mix it up a little bit. Niggas, like, I had to mix it up, gang. So I did, and the fit was super lit. And the little Saint Laurent black shades, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, fitted is back too, gang. Get rid of all the other shits. Go get you a good fitted. You know what I mean? I had a little fitted on, threw it to the back. Yeah. Yeah, I had to turn the heat up in there, nigga. I'm surprised the motherfucking smoke detectors ain't go off, the motherfucking sprinklers ain't go off in the spot and all that. Man, I had the temperature up in that bitch, bro. Fit was smoking. Hose was on it. But matter of fact, let me get back to the drip, bro. Y'all gotta tell me in the comments, yo, have they stick to the topic, bro. We wanna hear about the fit. We don't wanna hear about how the hose was reacting to it. Yeah, we got some little good material on the inside for when you know what I'm saying, just in case you sweating. It's a summer day, you wearing these shits in the summer, you can slide right out these bitches, you feel what I'm saying? Without that leather sticking to your body. Oh, y'all got a part of my couch too, man. My homegirl have badass kids over here, man. They done fucked the couch up, drop pizza on the couch, man. Might have to go get a new couch. I can't be debuting this good drip on a bad couch. But yeah, you go some tags for y'all niggas always talking about shit. Some motherfucking tags for you. You know what I mean? Weirdos probably won't see my size. I ain't gonna try niggas be asking me some weird shit, bro. Like, just pull up for the drip. You know what I'm saying? If you fucking with the content, follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the shit. You know what I mean? Drop a decent comment. I respond to you asking a question. More times I try to help niggas out. You know what I mean? But y'all niggas, man, make this shit a motherfucking ecosystem for some drip, man. Nigga pull up, ask a question, you got the answer, give it to him, gang. We ain't on no celebrity shit. But what else? These shits is all no zippers on these shits. All motherfucking buttons. You know what I mean? Good leather. I might have to get a little leather cleaner for these shits. But yeah, man. Like I said, they got two type of Ricks. They got two type of leather Ricks out right now. Probably another one, cause Rick be going crazy. But as far as no boot cut, cause they got some other leather shits out, they boot cut. He's just straight leg. I thought they would have been I bought these shits my size. I thought they would have been a little true to size and shit, but they wasn't. I bought them my normal size. They's a little baggier fit. But what I can say, when I put it on, I was a little nervous before I put them. Matter of fact, let me change that word, cause we don't use them type of words like nervous and all that, scared and all that weird shit. I was a little skeptical at first, you feel what I'm saying? But when I threw them shits on, shits was fire, man. But that's neither here nor there. I appreciate y'all niggas growing this channel, you feel what I'm saying? I probably didn't motherfucking said a whole bunch of bullshit. Y'all niggas ain't even stuck around for the real details. I be talking my shit in the beginning of these vids, man. Word. But I appreciate y'all niggas stopping by, man. You know,